Happy morning, children. I hope you are safe and fine at home. Today we are going to learn a new topic above, middle and below. What we are going to learn? Above, middle and below. Before that, shall we recall numbers? Okay, children, we already learned numbers from 1 to 20, isn't it? Now today we are going to learn numbers from 21 to 30. Shall we read numbers from 1 to 20? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shall we read once again? Okay, children, read with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. What we are going to do? We are going to add teen after the number. Shall we read once again? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. See here for 20, 2, 0. If we have 2 in the front, we have to tell 20. 2, 0, 20. See here what we have the first number 2. 21. 2 1 means 21. 2 2 means 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 2 6 26. 2 7 27. 2 8 28. 29. And if we have 3 in the front, what we have to tell is 30. If we have 2 in the front, means we have to tell 20. If we have 3 in the first number, we have to tell 30. Okay, children, I hope you understood 1 to 30. You revise in your home and practice well, children. Okay, children, now shall we enter into our class? Okay, what is this? Above, middle and below. We are going to learn a new topic, above, middle and below. Just raise your hands. Where is your hands? And where is your waist? And where is your leg? Point of that. Where is your hand? Where is your waist? And where is your legs? Okay, children, I hope you can catch this. Hands are above. Hands are above and the waist is middle and our legs are below. Above means top. Above means top and middle means center and below means lower part. Okay, children, I hope you understood above, middle and below. Okay, children, now we are going to learn and find out from these pictures. Shall we? The sun and the clouds and the house are drawn here. Which one is above and which one is middle and which one is below? Shall we find? Okay, children, shall we find and write? See here, the sun is top, isn't it? The sun is top of the cloud and the house, so that is above. So the sun is above the cloud and the house. And see here, the cloud. Where is the cloud? The cloud is the middle of the sun and the house. The cloud is middle of the sun and the house. So the clouds are in middle part. See here, what is this house? House is below the sun and the cloud. See here, below sun and the cloud. The house is below the sun and the cloud. Okay, children, shall we tell? The sun is where? Above, middle or below? Above the cloud. Shall we write above? A, B, O, B, E. Above. The clouds are middle of the sun and house. Shall we write middle? M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. And see here, the house is below the sun and the cloud. The house is below the sun and the house. Below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. I hope you understood above, below and middle. Okay children. Next, it's your turn. You have to find and tell me what you are seeing here. Raindrops and an umbrella and a cartoon. Isn't it? See here. The raindrops are above the umbrella. And the umbrella is middle of the raindrop and the Dora. Isn't it? And the Dora is below the umbrella. Yes, I hope you understood. Shall we write the raindrops are above the umbrella? Shall we? A-B-O-V-E. Above. The umbrella is middle of the raindrop and the Dora. Shall we write middle? M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle of the raindrop and the Dora. Next, see here. The Dora is below the umbrella and the raindrop, isn't it? Is it correct? Yes, children. The Dora is below the umbrella. Shall we write below? B-E-L-O-W. Below. The above and the middle and below. Okay, children. Now, see here. What you are seeing here is we can see dove and a tree and a ball. And the dove is flying high. Flying above the tree, isn't it? The dove is flying above the tree. So, the dove is above the tree. Shall we write above? Okay, children. A-B-O-V-E. Above. And the tree is middle of the dove and the ball, isn't it? Correct. Yes, children. The tree is middle of the dove and the ball. Shall we write middle for the tree? Okay, children. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. And see here, the ball is below the tree. Yes, the ball is below the tree. The ball is below the tree and the dove. Shall we write below? B-E-L-O-W. Below. I hope you understood above, middle and below. Okay children. Now shall we learn how to write numbers from 1 to 20. Children, now we are going to learn how to write numbers from 1 to 10 in your max note. Take your max note. Max note is of checked box. Okay children, first of all you have to write the date and page number. Ask your mom to write the date and page number. Okay, this is the first page you are going to write, isn't it? So we have to write number 1. What is today's date? Today's date is 14. How we have to write 14 is 1 4 dot, this is 9th month and this year is 2021. Okay children. Okay, now we are going to write how to write numbers from 1 to 10. Start from here. You have to leave a box and write 1 and touch the line. You have to draw a standing line. Children, then you have to leave a box and write 1 and touch the line. You have to touch the line. See here. Next, I have write 1. I wrote 1. I wrote 1. After finishing 1, you have to tell 1. 1. Okay, 1 is finished. Next, what number? 1 after 2. Now we are going to write 2. A small bend and sleeping line. 2. Small curve, sleeping line 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 2. This is a standing line and you have to touch the line. And this is 2. You have to draw a small curve and sleeping line. See here, small curve, sleeping line 2. Small curve, sleeping line 2. 1, 2. We have finished number 1 and 2. Next, what number? 3. 3. We are going to write 3. Small band like that. You have to touch the line. Small curve and another small curve. 3. Small curve we have. For writing 2 you will write like that you have to write. 3. Small curve and another small curve. 3. Small curve, another small curve. 3. Small curve, another small curve. 3. Small curve, another small curve. 3. You have to touch the line and you have to write. See here, I have touched all the lines and I left one box. After finishing one number, I left one box and I am writing. Next, 1, 2, 3. Next, what we are going to write? 4. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. 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 4. You have to complete like this, children. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what number? 5. Standing line, small bend, curve and sleeping line. Standing line, small curve and sleeping line. You have to complete 5 like this. See here, children, we have finished numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what number we are going to write? This 6. You have to turn the page. What we have to write? Here we have to write the date. 14, 9, 20, 21 and page number 2. This is second page, isn't it? This is the first page and we have turned. This is the second page. You have to write the page number 2. Next, we have finished 5, isn't it? Now we are going to write 6. Standing line and a small circle. 6. Standing line and a small circle. 6. Standing line and a small circle. 6. You should not take your hand. Standing line and a small circle. 6. 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 After 6, what number? 7. Very easiest number is 7. Sleeping line and a standing line. Sleeping line and a standing line. 7. Sleeping line, 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 standing line. 7. 6, 7 and after what number? Yes, 8. We are going to write 8. You have to draw 2 circles like this. First, you will write 2 like this only, no? Like this and come down and a small circle and go up. 8. Like this. Come down and a small circle. 8. After finishing each number, you have to tell that number 8. See here 2. You will draw like this only, na? 2. Like this, a small circle. 2. 8. 2. Abdi 8. 2. Come down and go up 8. After 8, what number? 9. How we have to draw 9 is? Draw a circle and draw a standing line. Start from here, draw a circle and draw a standing line. You have to sharp your pencil and you have to write, children. Draw a small circle and you have to touch the line, standing line, and you have to finish in the line. 9. Draw the circle, standing line, 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 9. Next, 6, 7, 8, 9, and next number is 10. Very good. 10 is very easy. You have to draw 1, standing line, and 0. 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0 is 10. 1, 0 is 10. Have to draw a standing line and a circle is 10. Standing line and a circle is 10. You have to touch the line and you have to write, children. We have completed numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You have to write this in your maths classwork note and send it in the WhatsApp group, children. Children, I hope you understood above, middle and below and learned numbers from 1 to 30. Now it's time for your home assignment. For your home assignment, you have to complete page number 19 in your numeracy skills textbook and you have to write numbers from 1 to 20 in your maths note. Okay children, thank you. Meet you in the next class, children.